Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and you all have completed your work. So, students, as we have read the poem, Who Has Seen the Wind, and we have done the difficult words and the word meaning also of this chapter. So, today we will do question answer and the back exercise of the same chapter. So, these are our question answer. 3 question answer are there, and this is a 1 page of back exercise which we are going to do today. So everybody take out your notebook. First of all, we will question answer, okay, then we will do the back exercise in our book. So let's open the English notebook. So everybody write down date and the great task on the top. It is written 13th May 2021. Great task and the day is Thursday. So chapter 2 part 2, Who Has Seen the Wind? Question answer. Question number 1, has anyone seen the wind? Anyone has seen the wind? Answer is no. No one has seen the wind. No one has seen the wind. Question number 2, what do the leaves do when the wind is passing through? When the wind is passing through, what do the leaves do? We have done the poem, we have done the reading. So the answer is the leaves hang trembling. The leaves hang trembling when the wind is passing through. So you have to write the leaves hang trembling, rest when the wind is passing through. Next question. Question 3. How do we know that the wind is passing by? So, how do we know that the wind is passing by? Answer. We will write firstly from the question. You can see, we know that the wind is passing by. Then we will write when the trees bow down their heads. When the trees bow down their heads, we can say that the wind has passed by from the trees. Okay, so what is the meaning of passing by? Passing by means वहाँ से होकर गई है, that is has gone from there. Okay, so how do we know that the wind is passing by? We know that the wind is passing by when the trees bow down their heads. So these are our question answer, and this is 1 page which we have to do back exercise. Okay, so everybody will write down date also on this page. So write the correct word to complete the sentence. We have to write the correct word. 2 words are given to you here. Okay, so first, we cannot see. What we cannot see? Leaves or wind? Leaves so we can see. So what we cannot see? We cannot see the wind. So you will tick here. Okay, correct answer is wind. Next, we know that the wind is passing by when the trees bow down their heads. Yes, when the trees bow down their heads. Okay, so what we will write? Bow down their heads, because here we are talking about trees, not about leaves. Okay, so we are talking about trees, so we will write bow down their heads. Number 3, neither I nor you means, what is the meaning of neither I nor you? I told you neither I means not I, not you means no one. Everyone, no. What is the correct answer? No one has seen the wind. So no one is the correct answer. Next question B, color the leaves that name parts of the trees. You have to color which leaves part of the tree is written. Legs. No, legs are not the part of the tree. Legs are the part of our body. So this is wrong. We will not color it. So you can see I have ticked the leaves in which you have to color. First is leaves. Next, fruits. Fruit is also a part of the plant, part of the tree. Trunk. What is a trunk? Let me show you here. See, this is our tree and this is called trunk. Okay, so this is a trunk. Clear? Then roots and branches. So you have to color these leaves, only 5. Next is circle the correct sound word to complete the sentences. Sound, you have to tell the sound. So horn of the car. So when horn of the car blows or rings? No, it blows. So correct answer is blows. You will circle it. The raindrop sound. What we call when the raindrops falls on the ground? Which sound comes? Pitter patter. Okay, so pitter patter is the sound of the raindrops. Pitter patter. The raindrops pitter patter on the roof. Number 3. Can you hear the bell? So bell ring or sing? Bell ring. So bells. Here bells are there. So we will not write rings. We will write ring only. Okay. So ring is the correct answer. Number 4. I can hear the dash of the clock. So which sound clock makes? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Yes. So tick tock is the sound of the clock. Okay, so students, this is one page which you have to do in your English book, and these are the question answer which you will do in your English notebook. Okay, so then now our chapter is completed. Okay, so take care. Bye bye. God bless you all.